Hi everyone, today I'm making chicken curry. This is more the Cambodian way, so you enjoy the video. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើ curry មឿនញ៉ាំសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាតាមដានវីដេអូដល់ចប់ផងអរគុណច្រើន So here's some of the ingredients. I have the powder curry and I have the red curry, the Thai way. I have coconut milk, salt, I have krương, I have fish sauce, sorry. So there's chicken. ខ្ញុំមានគ្រឿងខ្ញុំមាន red curry powder curry powder ទឹកត្រី and now I'm putting in some oil and then I infuse it with a bit of garlic and ginger and a cinnamon stick because I like the aroma smell ខ្ញុំដាក់ខ្លាញ់បន្តិចទៅហើយទៅខ្ញុំដាក់ខ្ទឹមសខ្ញីហើយនឹង cinnamon stick so kind of like bring it out into the let it burn a little bit so that it bring out the smell so now I'm putting in the red curry and thenខ្ញុំដាក់ red curry ចូល and so kind of stir and mix it well together to infuse it with the oil យើងកូរវាឲ្យវាចូលជាតិបន្តិចទៅជាមួយខ្លាញ់ហ្នឹង so now I'm putting in the krill which is in the video you don't know how to make it which is consists of lemongrass, kalanka, garlic, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, turmeric, garlic. ខ្ញុំដាក់គ្រឿងចូលហើយយើងកូរវាទៅ So now I want a little bit more curry flavor. I add in the curry powder. ឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់ curry ម្សៅចូលខ្លះព្រោះខ្ញុំចង់ធំជា curry ឲ្យវារាងខ្លាំង So kind of mix it together, stir it well. ហើយយើងកូរវាឲ្យវារាងសព្វចូលជាតិគ្នាទៅ So now I put in about a tablespoon of fish sauce. ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកត្រីប្រហែលមកសាព្រាបាយ and then salt about a teaspoon of coarse salt ខ្ញុំដាក់អំបិលក្រួសប្រហែលមកសាព្រាកាហ្វេ and then a piece of rock sugar it's about a quarter size so kind of stir it mix it together យើងកូរវាឲ្យវាសព្វចូលគ្នាទៅ Now I'm adding the coconut milk I don't use it all I use only half of it save some for later ខ្ញុំដាក់ coconut បែបពាក្យកដាខ្ញុំទុកកន្លះក្រោយទៀត mix it well កូរវាឲ្យសព្វចូលគ្នាទៅចាំពេលវារៀងពុះមក when it come to a boil and that's when you're going to add in the chicken so I use like a small whole chicken the one that they call little hen ខ្ញុំប្រើមឿនមួយកូនមឿនទូចគេហៅមឿន young chicken, baby hen. So now mix the chicken with the spices. យើងកូរសាច់ឲ្យវាចូលជាតិគ្នាទៅ till it come to the boil. So I'm using the annatto, which is a food coloring, to make the curry color a little bit more red. So I put it about a teaspoon in olive oil and I put it in the microwave. Once it's done, I'm gonna pour it into the curry. So now kind of mix the curry until the water evaporates before we start adding new water, vegetable and other stuff. យើងកូរវាទៅទឹកវារៀងដាច់ចាំយើងដាក់ទឹកថ្មីហើយយើងដាក់បន្លែយើងដាក់គ្រឿងអីផ្សេងទៀត So here come the annatto, the food coloring. It's about 2 tablespoons total. So now mix it all in together. See how the color. ឡើយយើងកូរវាឲ្យសព្វទៅចំអិនវាបន្តិចទៅឃើញពណ៌វាចេញស្អាត Now I add in the water. I don't know how much I use it, but normally I just cover the chicken. That's my rule of thumb. Cover the chicken, cover the vegetable. Then cover it, let it come to a boil. And now open it up, check it, you see how it's boiling gorgeously. ឥឡូវទឹកវាពុះល្អណាស់ Now you put in the vegetable. I have carrot, papaya, potato, onion. See how it's boiling good? I'm checking to see if the papaya is soft yet. It's not yet. So I have to continue cooking until the papaya is soft. So now after the papaya is soft, I put in the rest of the coconut milk. So that will be the last step. So that way you retain some coconut milk flavor when you serve. It's all done. Thank you so much for watching.